Alright, there, it's recording, Dad.
Okay.
Would you like to tell everybody what you're doing here?
There's a leak here. Somebody put a patch over this pipe, and this patch is leaking whenever we use the sprinkler, the irrigation. So I've got to take this off and ideally cut a new piece of PVC pipe. I might put a sprinkler head in here.
Yeah. Sounds pretty a good idea. Whoa, such strength. He's doing it. I mean, he doesn't think he's doing it. Ooh, he's got a screwdriver and he's wiggling it. Alright. Let's get over here. Okay.
Just cut that. Okay, you can pause that for a minute.
Okay, pop. Ooh! Ooh! That's supposed to happen?
It's just draining out of the tube.
Oh, okay. See all that water dripping down? Ooh. Your arms pockets shut again. Ooh. Just trying to take it. Alright. Yeah. Ooh! Whoa! Alright, he has it. And as you can see, alright. Should I stop now, Dad?
There's the crack, right. Okay, look, here's the crack where all that water was coming through. 2 cracks.
Whoa.
Good thing we're replacing this with PVC pipe.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop.
Yeah, those are the butt joints. Did you just say butt joint?
Yeah.
How dare you? So we need some 1-inch PVC. Oh, I forgot to turn the light off.
Good job.
Bring this down.
Ooh, you're gonna bring something down. Ooh, what's that? Looks like a speaker. Lights off.
I'll use this for our movie tomorrow night. It's part of the sound system.
Should I stop now?
Yeah. We have to go to the store.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Wow, this...
I don't know. You stay here.
Okay.
Here we are at home with our pipe.
Whoa.
Let's go see what it looks like over here. How much pipe do we need? Let's measure. 4 inches.
Exactly.
Okay, so we'll go cut 4 inches.
Cut! Action.
4 inches. Okay.
we're sanding down the edge to make sure that it's all clean and stuff. But he's sanding down all the edge.
PVC purple primer.
What's purple primer, sir? Is it the same as glue?
Prime the edges before you put on the glue.
Why is it purple?
So you know it's not the glue.
Why, of course. Ingenious. I never would have thought. Ooh, got it. Took a while. Ooh, yeah, it's definitely glue.
Yeah.
Smells like some kind of Sharpie marker. I don't know. I wonder if Sharpie's copyrighted or something, and I just made a copyright violation by saying it.
Oh my God, you said Sharpie.
Yeah.
How could you?
I don't know. Ooh, so it's gonna stick? That's wonderful.
Okay. Where do we put the glue? Over here.
Whoa. Okay, looks like it's on.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Fancy. Fancy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, now we take our glue with us because we'll have to. Oh, we need our primer too. Oh, I got some glue on my fingers.
Good. Washing your hands is always safe during these.
Well, I guess I could be wearing gloves too.
Yeah. You could be wearing gloves. Alright, well, I guess. Okay, so we're priming this. Woohoo! Yes. Prime. 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 And now for the glue. Ooh, you're really good at opening it now. That's good. It's already being opened. Alright, glue. Yeah, it glued them both. Glue the inside. Okay, wonderful. How are you gonna get it on though? I'm curious.
We're gonna have to pull it up and force it on.
Thanks. Okay. Forcing that on. Now, oop. That's gonna be a hard one there, Daddy. What? It's on! It's on!
Not yet.
Almost there!
There we go.
Yes! Victory! Want to try a test run by running the sprinklers, sir?
We'll let it dry. Let the glue dry first before we put any pressure in it.
That's right.
Okay, our repair is done now. It's had a chance to dry, so let's turn on the sprinkler and see whether it's watertight. All right. Gonna go back south, turn it on for 30 seconds, we'll say, or so. That's a minute. Okay, I can hear it sprinkling on the other side.
And
And it seems to be watertight.
that's a
That's
victory.
great, so I can take that pile of dirt there and I can put it back down there.
Yeah. you can see it sprinkling. Haha! A success.
Great.
Cut.
So I can turn those programs.
Action! Da, 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 do, 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 do. Wonderful, isn't it? Ooh, lots of dirt. He's hitting it. Ooh, such power. Such hitting. Wow.